Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English topic with me. Chinese New Year 2024, the Year of the Dragon. February 10, 2024, begins Chinese New Year/Lunar New Year, one of the most important celebrations in East and Southeast Asian cultures. The event is filled with family reunions, visits to family and friends, food and gifts over several days. Among the traditions of Chinese/Lunar New Year are having a clean house, which is seen as sweeping away the old and preparing for a new start. Food is also a big part of the festival, and common foods are dumplings, fish, egg rolls and spring rolls. These represent luck and prosperity. The color red, fireworks and dragons also are seen at Chinese New Year or Lunar New Year. A faculty member Dr. Luo, Associate Professor of History, presented the information below as part 2 is Diversity, Coffee and Conversations monthly series focusing on creating awareness and understanding of various commemorative months and cultural celebrations. Dr. Luo's research area is Asian history, and her research interests include modern Chinese history, history of everyday life in 20th century China, history of information management, comparative literacy studies, and war and society. She currently is working on a digital project on the history of the Asian community at UA and in Tuscaloosa. Chinese New Year and Traditional Calendar. 1. Chinese Traditional Lunisolar Calendar, based on the phases of moon. Months begin on the day of new moon. Years begin on the second or third new moon after the winter solstice. 29 and 30 days per month. A leap month added every 3 years. Gregorian calendar was adopted in 1912. 2024 Chinese New Year, February 10th. 2. Chinese Zodiac, 12 years cycle, represented by 12 animals. 2024, Year of Dragon. Dragon represents power, success, honor, and luck. History of Chinese New Year, traced back to about 3,500 years ago. Mythological origin. Best Nian year, putting red lanterns and red scrolls on windows and doors to stop Nian from coming inside. Burning bamboo, later firecrackers, to scare Nian away. Cultural origin, associated with the solar terms that match with the change of nature. A total 24 terms. Chinese New Year is the first one, marking the end of winter and beginning of spring, also known as Spring Festival. Traditions of customs. Shang Dynasty, 1600 to 1046 BC, sacrificial ceremonies in honor of gods and ancestors. Zhou Dynasty, 1046-256 BC, the term Nian adopted in Chinese calendar year established. Offer sacrifices to ancestors or gods. Worship nature for good harvests in the coming year. Han Dynasty, 202 BC 220 AD, Chinese New Year date fixed. Popular celebration activities, such as burning bamboo to make loud cracking noises. Wei and Jin dynasties, 220-420 AD, customs of a family getting together to clean their house, having a dinner, and staying up late on New Year's Eve became popular since the 10th century. Celebrations oriented more towards entertainment and socialization than religious purpose. Setting off firecrackers, visiting relatives and friends, eating dumplings, dragon and lion dances, lantern shows. New Year Eve dinner, 7 lucky foods to eat during Chinese New Year. 1 fish, an increase in prosperity. 2 dumplings, wealth. 3 spring rolls, wealth. 4 tanjuan, sweet rice balls, family togetherness. 5 good fortune fruit, fullness and wealth. 6 nongao, glutinous rice cake, a higher income or a higher position. 7 longevity noodles, happiness and longevity. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share the channel, Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.